So since everybody's been home and I've been searching for stuff online, you can see I've kind of got the hoard going. It's freaking pouring right now. Oh, that's not all of it either. It wraps around the other side of my garage. I went and bought, well, I didn't buy it. A guy gave me a whole bunch of, he parts out machines, dirt bikes and stuff. He gave me a whole bunch of dirt bike parts. Seats, gas tanks, air boxes, and a whole trailer full. Frames, bottom ends, like all kinds of stuff. It's crazy. I got that Arccat there pretty cheap. It runs good too when it wants to. It has some kind of sensor issue. But got Polaris Explorer 400. You guys might have seen some of this from my last video. I can't remember. That little 125 right there. It runs. Got a LT230E pull start. Got an LT230S way in the back there. That's that Polaris I've had for a while. That what is that? That Sportsman 400. 87 YZ 125. That is a 74 Suzuki TS 100. 2000 Polaris Scrambler. There's a 01 Polaris Scrambler. I believe that's an 01. Front of that's a Z250 06. Got a DR 250 in between there, if you can barely see it. There's a TRX 250X and a Can-Am. I'm not sure what that thing is. Junk. But mainly this is what I've been up to. Listing parts. Do a lot of internet stuff. You can see all these gas tanks I got listed and inventoried. I gotta put everything away yet. Parted out some cars. Really haven't done anything with any of the machines. There's a lot of trying to take advantage of all this, everybody being home. You can see everything's, I got a lot of this stuff. I was stripping some of these vehicles down in these machines. So I got all these tanks online. A lot of this stuff goes on eBay and a couple other marketplaces. But I just been going through all my stuff. I got a whole bin of Tri-Z stuff here. I'm getting ready to list up. I pretty much sold all my three-wheelers off, except for my 86 Tri-Z. I still have it. And you got tons of bottom ends here. Polaris parts. Just, I've been digging through everything. Box of my 350X stuff, it's been slowly dwindling. Listing all that stuff up. We got Ford parts, we got freaking Dodge parts here. I got all kind of stuff I've been digging through. Just trying to get it all gone. Got my little desk I'm working at. That's all I've been doing. Just work. I don't know if you guys are all keeping busy during this time, but I know it's been busier than ever. I think my sales are up like 600% right now. That could be because I'm listing more. I don't know. You see, I got crap everywhere. I built a couple short blocks for some customers. Yeah, that's what I've been up to. That's where I take my pictures at. If you see this on eBay, this you'll know it's me. This is my spot. This is what I'm known for. Where all the magic happens. It's funny. Yeah, it's been raining in here for like the last couple days. I wanted to do some riding. Haven't really taken my buggy out or anything lately. You see my hoarded boxes going on. I'd like to get that little TS100 running right there. I picked that up locally. It's been sitting in the guy's collection for a long time. When I say collection, I mean out in his shed where it rained on it. The bottom end's locked up in it. I'd like to get that thing. I'd like to ride that on the street. I think that'd be a cool little bike to have just to rip around on. You know, you just don't see anything like that anymore. Yeah, springtime's coming. All the leaves are starting to change back over. They're growing again. Man, what else can you really do right now? Everything's still shut down here. It's actually, I think in my last part of my video I said it was April 10th. It's now the 26th. This is like a two-part video. I kind of forgot I shot the other part. And I really haven't uploaded anything because I've just been so busy. Figured I'd show you guys. We'll go ahead and... Yeah, look at this rack. This place is ridiculous. The hoard got everywhere. It's just stuff everywhere. Some of these cars I parked up. You see that trailer full. Just have a look at it. Just junk everywhere. Well, it's not junk to me, but look at all this stuff. Big red stuff. 350X, 250X. Oh man, there's a lot of listing. Oh, got a flat tire on the old golf cart. What the heck? Tires, wheels, everything. I'm actually going through this stuff today outside here. It started raining, but that's what I'm doing. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments. If you're staying busy, if you know anybody that's sick from this stuff. I'm starting to think it's a big hoax already, but who knows? Who knows? But all right. I'm still gonna go through all these new parts here. Guy gave me a box of Suzuki stuff. All the stuff's brand new. Crazy. Definitely crazy. Alright, that's all for right now. I just wanted to touch base with everybody. I'm safe. Nobody's sick here. I'm going to try to get some more video this week. I got some really cool projects coming in for some customers. Wait till you see these things. Are pretty sweet. I'll get the old tripod out for this stuff. Maybe you can watch me work on it. I might do a Facebook Live video too. I might link you guys to it, or do I think Facebook and YouTube, I can link them together, do like live video, like question and answer stuff like that. A couple people asked me about that, but we'll see. All right, take care, guys.